Formulated for maximum toughness and durability. Get strong, long-lasting protection for whatever the job throws at you. First, remove any dust and debris and thoroughly clean the truck bed surface with soap and water. Then, mask the surrounding areas to protect it from paint splatter. Next, scrub in a crosshatch pattern. Wipe up all sanding dust with a clean cloth. Mix the coating in the gallon container. When applying to the bed of the truck, start from the front and work towards the tailgate. Apply 2 coats for maximum durability, but wait until the first coat is completely dry to the touch before applying the second coat. Allow for the coating to fully cure before use. That's 24 hours for light use and a full 5 days before heavy-duty use. Rust-Oleum's textured truck bed coating makes your truck look new again. Rust-Oleum all-in-one truck bed kit. Easy application, maximum toughness, and trusted protection.